Welcome to the Master Promissory Note, or MPN, tutorial. In this video, we will provide you with a brief overview of how to complete the Master Promissory Note for Virginia University of Lynchburg. To begin, you will need to go to studentaid.gov on either a computer or a mobile device. If you are using a mobile device, the login screen will look like the image on the left. If you are using a computer, the login screen will look like the image on the right. Go ahead and log in now. Please note, if you are a parent who is completing a Parent Plus Loan Master Promissory Note for your student, you will need to log in using your own username and password and not your student's username and password. To access the MPN on your mobile device, once you have logged in, locate the menu button on the upper right-hand portion of the screen. Click the menu button and this will open up a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Complete Aid Process, which will open up a second drop-down menu. From that menu, select Complete a Master Promissory Note. To access the MPN on your computer, once you have logged in, locate the Complete Aid Process link at the top of the screen. Hovering over the link will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Complete a Master Promissory Note. From this point forward, all the screens will appear the same whether you're using a computer or a mobile device. The first thing you'll be asked to do is to choose the correct MPN type. If you are a student working on an associate's or bachelor's degree, you will choose undergraduate. If you are a parent of a student working on an associate's or bachelor's degree who needs to complete a Plus Loan MPN, choose parent of an undergraduate student. If you are either a student working on an associate's or bachelor's degree or a parent of a student working on an associate's or bachelor's degree, go ahead and hit Start beside the appropriate selection, complete the information requested, read through the MPN information until you reach the end, and hit the Submit button. This will complete the MPN process for you. If you are a master's or a doctoral student, go ahead and hit the Start button under Graduate Professional Student. If you are a graduate student, there are two MPN options for you. If you are using unsubsidized loans, you will hit the Start button under MPN for subsidized and unsubsidized loans, complete the information requested, read through the MPN information until you reach the Submit button, submit, and that will complete the MPN process for you. If you are using Graduate Plus loans, you will need to complete the MPN for Direct Plus loans. Again, hit the Start button, input the information requested, read through the MPN information, hit the Submit button, and that will complete the process for you. Please note, however, if you are using both unsubsidized loans and a Graduate Plus loan, both MPNs must be completed. This concludes the Master Promissory Note tutorial. If you have further questions or need assistance, you can call the Financial Aid Office at 434-528-5276 or email financialaid@vul.edu.